Alright, got one called SLO-SET. I don't know who made it. There's something IQ and then FLP on the bottom. If this is your lock, let me know, and I'll put your name in the description. 2 is binding. 3, 4 is binding. Three again. 1. It's still binding. Grab. Okay, there we go. So I guess we'll get this one too. No key, so we'll get from the top. Grab my screwdriver. I don't think he or she, I'm making sure they didn't epoxy that on or something. And they did not. We got all kind of different springs, so we'll keep those in order. Got it serrated on one and more serrated. Standard key pin on 2. And looks like a regular spool. Spool and serrated look factory. Okay. Now that looks more like a challenge lock pin. Standard key pin. Another. These look like factory key pins for the most part, so. Let's see what I do with my gut wrench. So cleaned everything up. Now I can't find anything. There it is. So I don't see anything done to it. So, okay, but yeah, I'll show you guys these pins. Maybe the key pins were serrated by someone, but the drivers look very factory to me. You guys let me know what you guys think. They look, that looks homemade. That looks factory. Spool looks factory. Maybe the key pins. So, all right.